What is up, everybody? The master trader himself here. So in this video I'm going to show you how this strategy made me about 187 USD to be precise. Yes, on one strategy, guys. This is so mind-blowing. So I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can set it up exactly the way it is looking, and I'm going to show you how you can enter it and how you can actually exit it. What I've come to understand, I keep on saying this over and over again, a lot of you traders do actually know how to trade, but the problem that is there, you don't have enough capital to actually trade in the financial market. So I come up with these proved strategies that can yield you money so that you can trade the strategies or the signals that I post in my channel, in my Telegram channel. I post signals every single day in my Telegram channel. I don't charge for any signals. I will not ask you to pay me to give you signals. I make money in the financial market. Why charging for signals? So if at all you want to be a part of it, you can just join by using the link in the description below. So that's the thing. But I'm going to walk you through how you can actually make money that at least you can use to actually enter those signals that we post. So I'm going to come here and delete everything on the F there. If you are new, you come here on the F icon to delete these signals that we are these indicators that we are using. So we're going to use Ichimoku, we're going to use awesome oscillator, and also the moving average. But I'm going to walk you through how you can set it up exactly the same way I've set it up. So that's the thing. So you come here, we delete that, we come here again, we delete that, so that it will be blank just like this. We come here again, we come on window, main window, which you click here and you actually come on Ichimoku. Guys, I just want you to do exactly the same way I've done it. Do not do your own things, do exactly like I've done it. So that's a key point here. If there is a black, put a black. If there is a red, put a red. Do not put your own colors because it will disturb you and it will confuse you. So that's the thing. So if at all you have a background that is black, change it now just for this strategy. You will get back to your original one after making this money that I made with this strategy. So when it comes to it, the only thing that you have to do is just change exactly the same way I've put here. Put a 9 there, a 9 there, and the 9 there. Yes, like the King and Sen. I don't know where they get these languages from. So that's the thing. So the thing is that put a 9 there, 9 there, 9 there, and here on the King and Sen, you are only changing here. You're going to put a black, and also there you're going to put a black. But starting from here, you put the same color, exactly the same color with the background. So if it's black, put black. If it's white, put white. That's the main reason why I'm saying that it would confuse you, in the sense that, for example, this is black and your background is black, it won't show. So just put the colors that I have put in order for you to actually learn fast. So we click there, and here, guys, we are going to add another indicator, but ensure the indicator we're about to add that your candlesticks are at default, which simply means they should be red and blue. Is it green? Yes, red and green. They should be at default. So you're going to come here again to add this powerful indicator. It's called the awesome indicator. It's actually awesome because it's going to give you some awesome money. So there we click there. I want you to put it at default, and at default the value up will be green, the value down will be red. So you click on done and it will show exactly like this. So this value up and value down, it will actually show you the volume, the volume capacity of the candles and the market, how it's moving. So that's a thing. So this is a key component on how you're going to be profitable with this strategy, guys. So that's a thing. So follow exactly what I'm teaching you. So you come here again to come and add the moving average. So what you're going to do is that you're going to come on indicator window 1, you click there, and you're going to come on moving average, and you click there. Here, guys, we are actually using the period of 60 shift to 0 method exponential applied to previous indicator data, guys. That's the one that we are using. Levels, don't worry. And when it comes to visualization, you're going to put all time frames. And when it comes to that, put green, guys. Don't put your colors, put green. So that's the thing. You click there, and there we go. That's the thing. And from here, I believe is self-explanatory. But before I explain anything, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. To not take anything from you, to not get any money from you, just subscribe to the channel, hit that icon bell so that you can be notified each and every time I drop a new video, and like the video so that it can reach as many traders as it can reach, so that we can all make money together. And if you have not yet joined our Telegram group, I give free signals, guys, free signals every single day. A lot of people are making money. You can, if you want, you can just go there and check it out. So that's the thing. So go in the Telegram channel and join and make money with us. So that's the thing. We don't charge anything when it comes to signals. We don't even sell signals, guys. So that's the thing. So back to the video. So here, guys, what we are going to do is this. We are going to now learn how to enter and exit this strategy. So that's the thing. So one thing I want you to get to understand is when the volume of the market is showing red here, down here, and the green is actually on the above zone here. If you can see here, there is more like a 50% or a 0 zone there. That is just indicating the upper zone and the lower zone. So if this green line is on the upper zone, we are looking for sales. I hope you're listening that if this green line is actually down here, we are looking for buys. But what will confirm our sale is that our sale will be indicated by red, because when we are going down here selling, the bearish ones are the red ones and the bullish ones are the green ones. So here we should pay attention to the volume of the market down here. So the volume is showing that it's high there, and this green line has touched already these ones, these red ones, and it's above on the upper zone. So what we are going to now be looking for is this Kinko of the Ichimoku to be above the market. It shouldn't be below. If we want to sell, it should be above. So that's the thing. So if you click there, you will see what I'm talking about. There, it showed that we were actually in these red zones. So the moment it touches the red zones, you are waiting now to start entering. So it touched the red zone somewhere there, and here it was there. You can't enter from here, in the sense that this black line is not yet above the red one. The moment it's above, and here down is showing the volume to be very powerful in terms of the red volumes, which simply means the sale is very powerful. So you actually enter from there and you actually swing with it down, and this is a 15 minutes time frame, and which simply means you'll be in the market for like 1 hour, 2 hours, just milking the market, guys, until this touches this 0 position. The moment it touches there, it touched from somewhere there. So which simply means you enter from somewhere here and you ride with it to somewhere there before you can actually exit. This is same applying to a buy as well. If you can see, the market kept on moving, and here we saw the market, we saw this line going on the downside, and we saw so much volume here being made there. And if you can check on the chart, so much volume, the moment it touched the green there, so much volume was being made, and this was about to close there. The moment it closed, we also joined from there. this black line was now under the market, and we are supposed to enter from there a buy, and we ride with it until it closes and touches that lead volume zone. The moment it touches the zero zone and the zero zone touches the red one, then we exit the market. And if you can see, we exited the market from somewhere there, so we would have entered from here and exited the market from there. I hope you have understood this, guys. Please backtest it, do it over and over again on a demo account. Don't use real money if you have not understood. You can actually replay the video and actually learn through and through and test it on a demo account. It's working, guys. Can't give you something that is fake. Can't wait to see you in the next video. The Master Trader himself here. Love you so much.